can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at general cryptocurrency markets. Over the last 1 week, altcoins are pumping front, left, and center. WGD gains across the board in the altcoin market. It's official. We're in an altcoin season. Altcoins are finally outperforming Bitcoin over a 90-day period. This is the first altcoin season of 2025. Historically, that's when altcoins go parabolic. We look at sentiment in the cryptocurrency markets. There's no greed yet in the cryptocurrency market. Sentiment is neutral. Even though Bitcoin is near all-time highs, even though Ethereum and Solana are near all-time highs. We look at the meme coin market. Meme coins have been pumping over the last 7 days and the last 30 days. We talk about news stories going around the cryptocurrency market and more importantly, Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance has been dumping. Are we going to see the total collapse of Bitcoin dominance for the next 7 days? Total crypto market cap sits around $4 trillion. How high can altcoins go? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Let's start with the meme coin market. The meme coin market has been one of the best performing category in this bull market cycle. We have seen the total meme coin market even reach a valuation of around $100 billion. Crazy, but that's what happens when market participants go wild. We saw the meme coin market in 2021 with all the hype just only crossing around the $80 billion level. In January of 2025, we saw the meme coin market finally crossing over $120 billion. Right now, total meme coin market cap sits around $80 billion. If you look at the last 7 days, WGD gains across the meme coin market. Dogecoin is up 19%. Rumors of a Dogecoin ETF is around the corner. Shiba Inu up 9%. Pepe 13%. Meme coin 35%. You get the gist. All coins are doing good. Meme coins are even doing better. But then we have to pay attention to the king of the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin. The higher Bitcoin go, the more market participants expect huge pumps. And to be fair, Bitcoin has gone from as low as $15,000 to as high as $124,000. But guys, the warning signs are everywhere. Bitcoin's momentum is slowing down. A dome to Goblin Town is around the corner. Let me lay it out carefully. We saw Bitcoin getting to a new all-time high in August 14, 2025. Bitcoin got to as high as $124,000. And since then, Bitcoin has been struggling. Since then, we've seen Bitcoin down by around 13% to around $108,000. But put that in perspective, $108,000 level was where market participants were singing Kumbaya in January of 2025. That was the all-time high. That was greed in the cryptocurrency market, but just some months down the line, the $108,000 level represented fear, it represented total collapse. But hopefully, we didn't see a dump. We saw Bitcoin recovering. We have seen Bitcoin recover from as low as $108,000. Bitcoin has rallied to as high as $116,000. But that's not where the main action is. Bitcoin has only gone up by less than 15% over the last few weeks. Pay attention to Ethereum. Ethereum has taken over the mantle from Bitcoin from April of 2025 when we saw a big dump to Goblin Town, the cryptocurrency market. When Bitcoin came to as low as $74,000, we saw Bitcoin going from $74,000 to as high as $124,000, a 66% pump to the upside for Bitcoin. Ethereum, the king of all coins, has done something different. Ethereum has been outperforming Bitcoin since April. We have seen Ethereum rally by more than 256%. So clearly we have seen momentum shift from Bitcoin to Ethereum. All coins have been outperforming Bitcoin. But right now, every market participant is understanding. Historically, altcoin season is when everybody believes that altcoins will continue pumping. But the trick is that, guys, altcoins have been pumping because altcoin season represents altcoins outperforming Bitcoin over a 90-day period. If you know what altcoin season is, guys, if 75% of the top 50 coins do better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period, we are in an altcoin season. Over the last 90 days, Bitcoin is just up 8.7%. Altcoins are pumping aggressively, and you can see that a lot of these altcoins have done well. Ethereum is up 80% over the last 90 days. If you look at liquidation in the cryptocurrency market, right now, it's not good times for Bitcoin bulls. Bitcoin bulls are going to get liquidated very well. More importantly, altcoin bulls are going to get liquidated. The end of the market cycle sees a lot of volatility. The last 24 hours, more than 121,000 traders have been liquidated, with the liquidation coming in around $250 million. The largest liquidation happened on Binance. One trader lost $5 million betting on the price of Ethereum. When a lot of market participants go risk on, you see the leverage increase. I will not be shocked, guys, if we see total liquidation in the cryptocurrency market get to as high as $1 billion over the next 7 days or the next 7 weeks. If you look at Ethereum, the king of altcoins in the cryptocurrency market, I believe we're going to see it pumping to new all-time highs over the next few days and the next few weeks. Yes, we might easily get to $5,800, but I don't think we'll be seeing Ethereum trading at $10,000, at $20,000. The higher we go, guys, the riskier it becomes. The higher we go, the more you hear outrageous price predictions, because nobody wants the party to end. But remember, you want to buy low, you want to sell high, you want to buy when there's fear in the cryptocurrency market, and every market cycle will come to an end. This time is not different. This time is not different, as we'll still see huge dumps to Goblin Town. After the pump comes the dump. If you look at sentiments in the cryptocurrency market, even though prices are at record highs, there's no greed in the cryptocurrency market. You might be shocked asking, why is that? Historically, when we're at all-time highs is when there's plenty greed in the cryptocurrency market. When we're at all-time highs, when market participants want to go risk on. Right now, a lot of people are indexed in Bitcoin. They are indexed on the wrong part of the market. A lot of market participants believe it's only Bitcoin that will pump to the moon, and right now the altcoin market is taking them to the cleaners. So over the next few days, as consciousness of the market start noticing that the main move is in the altcoin market, I expect to see greed return back to the cryptocurrency market, and more importantly, I expect to see some extreme greed in the cryptocurrency market. Over the last 1 month, we have been stuck in neutral territory based on sentiment. Guys, I will not be shocked if we see a parabolic blow off top for these altcoins. Historically, altcoins pull out their biggest move at the end of Altseason. And remember, after Altseason, the bear market begins. After Altseason, a dump to Goblin Town ensues. This time is not different. Bitcoin dominance has actually been dumping since the 22nd of June 2025. Momentum has shifted from Bitcoin to the altcoin market. It means more market participants entering the market just go straight to the altcoin market. Altcoins are pumping. That's where you want to get your 10x, your 5x, your 2x, your 3x. Yes, Bitcoin has gone up in value, but I don't see Bitcoin go up to $500,000. I don't see Ethereum going up to as high as $20,000. And why are we in the market? We're here to speculate. Why are we in the market? We're here to make some money. So if you look at total crypto market cap, almost at new all-time highs, sitting at a $4 trillion level. I believe we're going to see it pump to new all-time highs over the next few days, and those gains are going to be mostly in the altcoin market. Maybe Bitcoin gets to $120,000, maybe it gets to $121,000. Pay attention to the altcoin market. That's why you want to look at total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin, which almost is an all-time high, sits around the $1.68 trillion level. Over the next few days, I expect the total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin to attempt to get to as high as $2 trillion, maybe we will see $2.2 trillion. That will see total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin rally up by about 20%. Remember, guys, you don't want to get carried away. The final phase of the market cycle is where you start hearing outrageous price predictions, market participants singing Kumbaya, we're all going to the moon. You want to plan your trade, you want to trade your plan, you want to have an exit plan, because at some point in time in the nearest future, a big dump to Goblin Town will ensue. And if you look at total crypto market cap excluding both Bitcoin and Ethereum, almost two at the new all-time highs. We just need about a 10 to a 20% pump to get to that $1.25 trillion level. New stories going around the cryptocurrency market. It was a slow weekend, but Monero pumped 7% despite an 18-block reorg prompting concern. Thailand citizens are waking up to frozen bank accounts. Will they buy Bitcoin? Buterin says AI-run crypto governance is a bad idea due to jailbreak. Over the next few days, guys, you expect to see a lot of whales dumping again. You expect to see a lot of smart players leaving Bitcoin, heading to the altcoin market. And the Fed is going to be cutting interest rates this week. Trump renews push to outside Fed's cook ahead of expected Fed rate cuts. Market participants are interpreting the Fed cutting interest rate as the signal that will be pumping to the moon. But remember, guys, the Fed has data you don't have. If they are making decisions to cut interest rate, there might be trouble in paradise at some point in time in the nearest future. If you look at the top 10 cryptocurrency by market capitalization, the last 7 days has seen Ethereum outperforming Bitcoin. The last 30 days has seen Ethereum outperforming Bitcoin. And the last 60 days has also seen Ethereum outperforming Bitcoin. So clearly, sentiment is shifting from a Bitcoin-focused market into an altcoin focused market, and Ethereum, the king of all coins in the cryptocurrency market, is leading the charge. Guys, drop it out in the comment section. Officially, it's altcoin season in 2025, the first altcoin season of 2025. We have been stuck in and out of an altcoin month over the last 2 months, but right now the big one is here. Altcoin season is here. Which altcoins are you buying? How high do you see the altcoin market going over the next days, over the next few days and the next few weeks? Remember, before we go to September, we were hearing about how September is the worst month for Bitcoin. September is always bearish. The proof is in the pudding. The crowd is always wrong at the extreme. The crowd was expecting us to dump to Goblin Town. Right now we're pumping. Don't be shocked if you see us dumping to Goblin Town in Q4. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.